Chamberlain, in welcoming all of you here for this important signing ceremony. Sometimes it is said that even problems have the seed of great opportunity. And in fact, we have seen from that meeting the huge opportunities, if we get it right, in shaping our cooperation for boosting the economies, not just of the independent member states of the OECS, but also the associate territories. The agreement that we're here to sign today is a really important area in which we've seen a lot of action being undertaken at a voluntary community level, the restoration of mangroves. There are several experiences in member states, in Grenada, I believe in some of the British overseas territories, communities of their own recognizing the importance of restoring the mangrove, not just for restoring balance in the ecosystem, but also its value for fisheries and for the preservation of coastlines. So with that said, we're very happy to partner with AFD on this, and let's sign up and get it going.
Sure. Thank you to you and all of your team for having us today. My visit also comes after a series of important French official visits in this territory. The Secretary of State Chrysoula Zacharopoulou was here, the Minister Gérald Darmanin, and so on. And I think it's also giving signs that France is really committed towards its regional presence here. And of course, I'm making the link with the visit of our Secretary of State, Chrysoula Zacharopoulou, because she made the announcement at the time when she came that we were going to commit resources to a project for mangrove restoration. And so we are also here to deliver on that announcement. And today we are signing this document that makes it concrete and allows us to go further in the implementation of this project. I want also to say that this is a project that is really interesting in a lot of ways. First of all, I've also heard that it's the first project in which actually the funds will be implemented directly by OECS. So it's the first time that France provides a financing that is directly implemented by the OECS. And I think it's also important as a token of the confidence that we have between us. What I also feel very interesting in this project, that it is community-based. And so, as one of your colleagues said, working for the people is not the same thing as working with the people. And of course, it's when you bring all the communities on the ground together that you can have an impact. And last but not least, what I find really interesting in this project is also that it will be one of the first time that activities will be implemented both in the French associated members and in the sovereign states of the OECS. And so I'm very happy that the resources that we provide through the grants from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the French Fund for Global Environment can be used also towards this objective of strengthening regional cooperation.